I just woke up. I just woke up to this beautiful song. Actually, I never heard it yet, but I already know it's TAEYONG from NCT. Not to confuse it with Taeyong from Big Bang. There's a lot of Taeys. I love Taehyung too. But we're talking about TAEYONG from NCT has a solo. He's been having other solos. The one with Weinstein is really good, by the way. You guys need to check that out. The fact that he collabed with Weinstein, fire. Anyways, TAEYONG, SHALALA. SHALALA. Right now, I don't know if you can see it right now, but I just see a picture of his lips close to a mic. I did come back home from Mamamoo concert last night in LA. Was really amazing. Definitely gonna have some footage on Dre Day, which you guys should be subscribing. If you don't mind, would you please, while I'm stretching, hit that like button for TAEYONG, because the man's a monster, the man's a beast, the man's a freak. He can do it all, bro. And he's good looking. Hell yeah, bro. I don't think good looking defines how he looks. He is immaculate. Bro, that man looked like a Final Fantasy character, and that says a lot. I'm gonna be live on Twitch later today. Gonna play Diablo, but also gonna be checking out Stray Kids album. So if you guys want to go check that out, be there. But afterwards, we're playing Diablo. Also got an exclusive interview with BM from Card that's gonna be uploaded on Dre Day. That happened on Twitch. It was all live. But yeah, here's a little clip.
It means don't leave anything behind and eat it until the icing is gone too.
Damn. Damn, you have experience in that?
Ah!
And without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Play my intro. Let's check out TAEYONG SHALALA in 3, 2, 1. English captions on. Bow.
Lay low, lay low, lay low.
Oh, why did that trigger something? Lay low, lay low. It reminds me of Patrick. I'm sorry, that's wrong. You know what? Let's reverse what did I say? I don't remember what I said. Do you remember what I said? You don't remember. Anyways.
Lay low, lay low, lay low.
Whoa. What? Ew! Oh, that's God. Okay. He's a hacker. Check my style. Oh. Oh. Is that Zach Galifianakis? Who is this? Whoa. That keyboard being dirty is just triggering. Even though, you know, mine's not the most cleanest, but that's disgusting. That was on purpose, obviously. Ew. Ooh. Okay, old school. Oh, a Game Boy Color. What is that? A Game Boy Color or a Game Boy? Bro, that neon hair. I feel bad for his hair. It looks good on him though. Ooh. At the moment, the world distorted. Dang! I know he looked badass, but I could have just said, y'all saw his nipple in that one scene? Damn! Hey, quick little shout out to the nipple. You know, expose it. What is your hair, first of all, sir? It's like a mullet. Oh, year 2023. Ooh, little bounce in the body roll. He's in different pastimes or future.
Bruh.
The f Yeti's igloo. Oh, okay. He got his own fighting game. Hey, yo, wait, hold up. Is he the type to step on feet while fighting? Yo. Hey, yo. I'm never gonna play a fighting game with him. Ooh. Hey. Okay. This whole music video is such a trip. and it's such an interesting thing to see. This is the first thing I watch when I first wake up. You know what gives me? You know, like how you know, I know he's like, he's been on topic or trending for a little bit. T.O.P. from Big Bang. You know, his music videos always been weird, or his at least his scenes always been like out of pocket. This reminds me of that. It's just so random. Yeah. Swaggin'. Hey yo. Bow wow. Bow wow wow wow. I have never heard bow wow wow in so long. I haven't heard that in a minute. I'm a shine. Check my style. Yo, your style be hot. Oh, what the hell? Metaverses. Whoa, switch up. Is your fast? Cat, what? Hey. Why did everything? I don't know why. So much is happening. You got two Yetis. A knight in the background. Nope. Ooh, keep it low key. Hey, he's swinging. Them jeans though. Whoa. This is an out-of-pocket song with an out-of-pocket music video. For some reason, it kind of fits him. For me, at least. Wait, goodbye night. It's like a night at the office. Sorry, I can't stop looking at his arms, bro. Deleting the word. Man, that's not my god. My god don't look like that. Oh no, that's some jump scare. Wow, I'm
Lay low, lay low, lay low.
It still reminds me of Patrick.
Baby, keep it low key.
Yo, if Taeyong ever said "baby, keep it low key" to you, how would you react? Me, I'd be like, how much? I don't know how I would really react. I don't know. I don't think I would say anything. I'd be like, okay. I'll just say okay. I think I would say okay. Ah, damn, am I that bitch? Put the comments down below what you guys think of Taeyong's Shalala. That music video was different. I gotta re-look at it again. Again, your boy just woke up, so I'm trying like to wake up. Watch, I'll probably understand the music video once I'm like editing it, like I usually do, because I just slow it down, look at every scene. But if you guys want to comment, put in the comments down below like what this MV meant to you, please indulge in the comment section. It's your boy JRE from JREAMERS. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys to the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
He got an X, so that joint is old school.